Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market update for Thursday, December 23rd, 2021. As you know that we head to the Christmas and the market, they finished it 3-4 days on the road. The market be able to push it back up if you have been following me. And we told you that the market it found a support and then they continue to find a way to push it back up. So on the, if you look at the chart here, the E-mini SB 500, you can see the market is trying to run up, trying to test the previous all-time high very close to it. So the market will be right at the important level here. So they did a first part of moving up. Okay, so now we have a Christmas rally. So next with it will be a Santa Claus rally. If we're able to punch to the all-time high here, the market will find a way to put it up. Let's see they be able to do that. So right now the momentum is still very strong. The bull is still in control. So in the short term we are still in the uptrend, and the long term is still bullish. So let's see that the Santa Claus rally will happen after the Christmas day, which is Monday, until the first week of January. Let's see the market still be able to continue to punch through it. Okay, so that's a good sign. Next thing here is you look at the Nasdaq, which is the technology stock. They also have a 3-day bull run right into back to the sell zone again. So this is important level for them to continue to the bull side. They need to break out next week and continue to go higher. The Dow it also gets stuck at this level here too. They come back, they try to get up, but also get stuck here. So the market they stop right here for most of the indices. So let's see how they do it next week. The Russell 2000, they'll be able to find the support. They also try to put it back up, even though they are still very choppy sideways. But along with the momentum, they can pump up. They can continue to go back to the top if they're able to clear those resistance over here. If you look at the crude oil it also make another high here after they break out here. So the bull is trying to get back up and push it up to next level here that I told you. Then gold is also trying to put it back up, but they still have a lot of resistance here. But at this moment they continue to make it high. If they can clear this one here, they can get up here and reset this resistance area also. If you also look at the Bitcoin it found a support in the buy zone. Now they try to find a way to clear this area here. So let's see if they be able to continue to put it up and reset this line. If they can clear this one here, they will get up here, and they will tell it, more in next week also to see if they're able to break out from the buy zone. Also, Ethereum is also doing well. They bow at the buy zone. Now they try to find a way to put it up also. Okay, if you look at the SPY, it also, like I told you, they come back here. They test, fill up again. Now today they get up, so more bullet here. So they come back, retest the upper bow there also. The triple Q here also try to find a way here to clear up this area of resistance here. Okay, semiconductor it also try to find a way to put it back up. They need to clear this downtrend line here in order to continue for the upside. Okay, transportation it also try to find a way to put it back up, so they gain more momentum now. So it's important for the market to go higher. They need the transportation to move up also. Now if you look at the 11th sector of the SP 500, the material sector it also found support. The last 3 days put it back up. The communication service it also try to find a way, even though they are still in the downtrend, but they also rebound also. So energy it also rebound, but they need more work to do here to become a bullish again. Financial it still sideways choppy there, still below the downtrend line there. The industrial it also trying to find a way up, but they still need to clear that resistance there also. Technology that's the key important for the SP 500 to move up. So this one, if they continue to move up, they will have the SP 500 to move higher. The consumer table it's still bullish, they run up, and after they too fast, so they pull back. They found support and try to fill up here. Let's see they be able to put it back up and continue, or they have to do one more leg down before they can turn around and put it back up. Overall 10 is still bullish, so we'll see next week. Okay, the real estate, it still bullet. They hope they go up, they pull back down, retest, it's still in the bull side. Utility at the defense sector to have some trouble here. They put it up, pull back down, but they hit resistance here. So if the market go up, this one here still definitely will have a trouble to go higher. The XLV, which is the healthcare sector, is pretty strong, as I told you before. They come back, they break out, they pull back, retest. Now, if they can clear this area here, they will continue to put it up to the upside. The XLY with the consumer discretionary is still try to rebound after a couple of weeks drop down here. Now they get strong momentum here. So let's see. They be able to continue to put it back up with the help of Tesla. Okay, definitely they will put this sector back to the top again. Tesla, they found support at this level in the last 3 days. They put it back up. So it's one of the key components of the XLY there. So let's see how far Tesla can go. That will move up the XLY also. Okay, so I think that this week is the short week. We don't market close tomorrow. So I would like to take this opportunity, okay, to add the on behalf of the stock Navigator, okay, I would like to wish you and your family joy and peace today, tomorrow, and always. Then take care, and then I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Goodbye, everyone.